Inventory management is crucial for businesses, as it directly impacts their operational efficiency and profitability. It ensures you have enough products to meet demand without incurring excess inventory costs. Economic order quantity, or EOQ, is a key tool in this process, helping businesses streamline their inventory management. It helps businesses determine the optimal order size to minimize costs. EOQ finds the balance between holding costs and ordering costs, ensuring cost efficiency. Holding costs include storage, insurance, and potential obsolescence, which can add up over time. Ordering costs cover the expenses of placing and receiving an order, including administrative and shipping costs. Finding the EOQ helps minimize the total inventory cost, leading to significant savings. This means businesses can save money and improve efficiency, leading to better overall performance. EOQ is a simple yet powerful concept applicable across various industries, from retail to manufacturing. Implementing EOQ offers several key benefits for businesses. Reduced inventory costs. EOQ helps find the sweet spot between holding and ordering costs, minimizing the overall expense. Improved efficiency. By ordering the optimal quantity, businesses can reduce stockouts and ensure a smooth production process. Better resource allocation. EOQ frees up cash flow and resources that would otherwise be tied up in excess inventory. Increased profitability. Lower inventory costs and improved efficiency directly contribute to a healthier bottom line. The EOQ formula is straightforward. EOQ equals the square root of 2 times D times S divided by H. This formula helps businesses determine the most efficient order quantity to minimize costs. Collect annual demand, order cost, and holding costs per unit per year. Where D is the annual demand quantity, S is the cost per order, and H is the holding cost per unit per year. Understanding these variables is crucial for accurate calculations. Let's consider an example. A furniture retailer sells 1,000 chairs annually. This retailer needs to manage inventory effectively to meet customer demand. The ordering cost per order is $50, and the holding cost per chair per year is $10. These costs can add up quickly if not managed properly. Plugging these values into the formula EOQ equals the square root of 2 times 1,000 times 50 divided by 10. We can see how the formula works in practice, which resulting in 100 chairs. This calculation simplifies inventory management. This means the optimal order quantity for the furniture retailer is 100 chairs at a time. By ordering this amount, the retailer can minimize costs and ensure a steady supply of inventory. Variables in the EOQ formula. Variables used in EOQ calculation. D. Annual demand, the total number of units your company needs in a year. S. Order cost, the fixed cost of placing an order, including administrative fees, shipping, and processing expenses. H. Holding costs, the cost of holding 1 unit of inventory for a year, including storage, insurance, and obsolescence costs. Understanding the variables in the EOQ formula is essential for its accurate application. These variables help businesses optimize their inventory levels and minimize costs. This represents the total number of units a business expects to sell in a year. It is crucial to have precise sales data to forecast demand accurately. Accurate demand forecasting is crucial for a reliable EOQ calculation. Without it, businesses may either overstock or understock, leading to increased costs. This encompasses all costs associated with placing and receiving an order, including shipping, handling, and administrative expenses. These costs can add up quickly if not managed properly. This includes costs related to storing inventory, such as warehouse rent, insurance, and the risk of obsolescence or damage. Proper storage management can significantly reduce these expenses. Accurately determining these variables ensures the EOQ calculation reflects the real costs associated with inventory management. This leads to more efficient operations and better financial performance. Real-world factors affecting EOQ. While the EOQ formula provides a useful starting point, several real-world factors can influence the optimal order quantity. Reorder point. A consistent reorder point is key to EOQ accuracy, but delays and demand fluctuations can impact it. Lead time. EOQ relies on a stable lead time, but changes in delivery can disrupt the calculation. Unit cost. EOQ assumes a fixed price, but discounts for bulk orders can alter the optimal quantity. Stockouts. While EOQ assumes continuous availability, unexpected demand spikes or supply delays can lead to stockouts, harming customer satisfaction and profits. EOQ, a powerful tool with limitations. EOQ is a valuable tool for optimizing inventory management, but it's not without limitations. Despite these limitations, EOQ remains a valuable tool for businesses. It provides a starting point for determining order quantities and can be adjusted based on real-world factors. By understanding its benefits and limitations, businesses can leverage EOQ effectively to optimize their inventory management practices. Part of the puzzle. EOQ is one component of comprehensive inventory management. Benefits of utilizing EOQ: reduced inventory costs, improved inventory accuracy, enhanced customer satisfaction, reducing waste with EOQ, fresh inventory. EOQ maintains optimal stock levels for perishables like fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and pharmaceuticals, ensuring a steady supply of fresh inventory without excessive spoilage. Reduced waste. EOQ minimizes dead stock by determining the ideal order quantity, reducing financial losses from unsold or expired inventory.
Thank you very much for watching full video. Please subscribe, like and share channel. PGK Kadam Academy.